Yes. Very good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. So we are going to start with the class today. It is a continuation of the multiplication of fractions which we have studied in the just previous class. Okay. So we were discussing about some word problems in your text, exercise number 2.3. Isn't it? Question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
5 we have done. Now question number 6. So let us have a look at the question. It is all very easy question. Only multiplication of fractions is there. Okay, so let us do the continuation of that. Yeah. So just watch, look at the screen. Yes. Can you read it, children? All of you can read?
Yes, ma'am.
I need not zoom it, no? Okay. Okay. So next question. This question we have done. The next question. Next question. Just read it. Can anybody read? Nivedita, read it loudly.
Yes, ma'am. Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book?
Okay. You have any idea about doing it? Ehan, can you tell me?
Yes.
Deepika reads a book for 1 and 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So one day she spends, how much time she used to spend for reading? 1 and 3/4 hours. And so 6 days she took to complete the book. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the book?
Ma'am,
How will you do it?
multiply 6 into 1 and 3/4.
Okay, so 1 and 3/4 hours. Daily 1 and 3/4 hours only she is spending for reading. Like that 6 days. So 1 and 3/4 hours into 6, isn't it? So let us write down the steps and do it. Okay. So what will be the step? First step.
We need to
Time spent
convert the
on-
mixed fraction into improper.
Okay. That we know. Before that, I'm asking what is the first step? Time spent on
Time spent on
reading.
1
One
day.
day. Time spent on reading. Time spent on reading every day. That is equal to 1 and 3/4 hours. Here itself you can change it and write. Mixed fraction converting to improper fraction. How will you do it?
And
What is the answer? 4 plus 3.
7/4.
7/4 hours. 7/4 hours. Okay. So we got 7/4 hours. Then time spent. She reads the entire book in 6 days. Isn't it? So time taken for completing the book. Time taken for completing the book. How much it is? 6 days.
yes.
6 days. Okay. And I'll just move it. Okay, I cannot move it, I think. I'll write it down. I shall write it down. Yeah. Time taken for completing the book is 6 days. Now, what is the next step? How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Okay. So, time taken to read the book. It is 6 days we have written. First step, time spent on, not one, it is on. Okay. It is on. Oh, everything gone. No. So time taken for completing the book, 6 days. How many hours? So hours taken to complete the book. Hours taken to complete the book. How many hours? 7 by 4 into 6.
4 into 6 is equal to 42 by
So
4.
42 by 4. That means how many hours, children? 42 by divide by 4. Isn't it? 42 you divide by 4 and tell me the answer.
one, 2/4.
Okay. 1 and 2 by 4.
2 by 4.
What? No, not 1 and 2 by 4. 42, no. How many times 4 will go in 42? Or you can cut short first. You can
And
divide it by 2.
21 by 1.
By 2 hours, isn't it? Divide. Divide by 2 on both sides. You will get 21 by 2. So divide 21 by 2 again. How many times 2? 10 times in 21. So what you will get? It is 10 and 1 by 2 hours. Isn't it? 10
Yes, ma'am.
and 1 by 2 hours. Okay. Shall we pass
Yes,
on to the
ma'am.
next question? Next question. All the problems which we do in the class should be taken down in your lecture note. Okay. Clear,
Ma'am.
children? All
Yes, ma'am.
the problems we do should be taken down in your lecture notes. Okay, so next question we can see. What is the next question? A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How many kilometers it runs?
16 kilometers.
16 kilometers.
For 1 liter of petrol, it runs 16 kilometers. Okay. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So for 1 liter, it is 16 kilometers. So 2 and 3 by 4 liters means how many kilometers?
Eleven by 4.
No, I am asking what to do. What to do?
We need to multiply.
We need to multiply what with what?
2, 3 by 4 into 16.
2, 3 by 4 into 16, isn't it? Suppose it was 2 liters of petrol, what you will do? 2 into 16 you will do, no? Same way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if for 1 liter of petrol, it runs for 16 kilometers. Isn't it? So for 2 liters of petrol, how much it will run? 16 plus 16, that is 16 into 2, correct? So if it is 2 and 3 by 4 liters means it is 16 into 2 and 3 by 4. Okay. So let us do that. So you can write distance covered. Distance covered. Distance covered using 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered using 1 liter of petrol is equal to how much?
16 kilometers.
It is 16 kilometers. Now, distance covered using 2 and 3 by 4 liters. Once 2 steps are enough. Distance covered using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol. That is equal to 16 into 2 and 3 by 4. That is equal to 16 into, make it into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. How much?
11 by 4.
11 by 4.
Okay, so let me ask somebody else also. Okay, Hannah, can you tell me when you do this 2 and 3 by 4, change the 2 and 3 by 4 into improper fraction, what will you get as answer? 2 and 3 by 4, convert it into improper fraction. How will you convert into improper fraction? It is a mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper fraction. So how will you do it? Anna, how are you converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction into an improper fraction? Al Farhan, can you tell me?
Okay.
Al Farhan, how will you convert an improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction?
And can I?
Ihan.
Al Farhan,
Ma'am,
So
first
then
to multiply 2 into 4 and
2 into 4.
we have to multiply and we have to which we have the product. We have to take the product and add with 3.
3. Okay, good. So 2 into 4, 8. Isn't it? 8 plus 3, 11. So you will get 11 by 4. 11 by 4. Now, children, it is 11 by 4. Now, do you want to multiply with 16 and do, or you can cancel it here, isn't it? 16. So how will you multiply? How are you going to multiply? That is, you will multiply like this, isn't it? 16 into 11 by 4, isn't it? So 16 also you have to divide by 4, 11 also you have to divide by 4. Which one is easy to divide by 4?
11.
11.
What? 16 and 4 is common factor. No, common factor. They have common factor, isn't it? 16 and 4. 4 fours are 16, isn't it? 4 is a common factor. So you can cut it like this. 4 is a common factor. So 4, look, 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16, isn't it? Common factor, or divide 16 by 4. What will you get? 4 into 4 is 16, correct? 4 times in 16. That is what I have done. Okay, 4, denominator and numerator and denominator, isn't it? Then you can cancel. So 4 times in 16. So 4 into 11, 44. 44 kilometers, isn't it? Yes. 44 kilometers is the answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in the calculation, you have to ask me. Every time I will not be doing all these minute calculations. You have to do it your own. Clear? Somebody I asked about conversion. Now, no, they don't have any idea about it. How many problems we have done with using this conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction?
Ma'am, 4 to 5 problems.
And ma'am, you
Yes.
have also revised it 2-3 days.
Yes, ma'am.
So many problems we have done. Okay, next one. Next one. Next is this question. No, in your text, provide the number in the box such that. Can you see? I should zoom out.
You can see.
Ma'am, we can see.
Okay. We can do it, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And we should do
So,
it in textbook.
in textbook itself, you can fill it in text itself. No, it's very easy. You can fill it in text. Provide the number in the box, blank. Provide the number in the box. It is blank, such that 2 by 3 into blank is equal to 10 by 30. What will be there in the blank? Can you tell me? It is a fraction.
5.
Whatever is in the blank is a fraction. So,
And
5 by
with
10.
what it is? Yes.
5.
How much?
5.
5 by 10.
You when such problems come, you can check like this. 2 into what is 10?
2 into 5.
2 into
5.
5 is 10.
So 5, numerator 5 by 3 into what is 30?
3 into 10.
3
10.
into 10
So
is
5 by 10. Answer is 5 by 10. Next one. The simplest form of the number obtained in this is. That blank on the
5
top.
by 10
Ah,
is
it
1
was
by
5
2.
by 10, no? 5 by 10. So what is the
8 by
common factor? How will you simplify it? Simplification is
1
asked here.
by
The simplest
Ma'am,
form
1
of
by
the
Ma'am,
number.
1 by 2.
Ah. So divide both by
5.
5, isn't it? Common factor. 5 is a common factor. So we divide both numbers, numerator and denominator, by 5. So what will you get? 5 divided by 5, 1.
1 by 2.
By 10 divided by 5, 2. Isn't it? So answer is 1 by
1
2.
by 2.
1 by 2. Is it clear, children? Simplest form.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the common divisor and divide. Okay. The next one. Provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 into something is 24 by 75. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
8 by 15.
8 by 15.
So just check 3 into what is 24. You know the
8,
tables.
8
No?
by 17.
So 3 into 8 is 24. And 5 into how much is 75?
70.
5 into
5 into 8.
uh, into
70.
17. 5 into 15, isn't it? 5 into 15 is 75. Okay, so 8 by 15. Next one, the simplest form of the number obtained is, what is the simplest form? 8 by
8
15.
by 8
Any
by
simplest form you can take. Is 2 a common factor between 8 and 15?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is 3 a common factor?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
4 a common factor?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
5?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
you won't
ma'am.
get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing is a common factor. So that itself is the simplest form. Correct? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So if there is no common factor between the numerator and the denominator, that itself is the simplest form. So we can say 8 by 15 itself. Okay. 8 by 15 itself is the simplest form of the number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we can pass on to the next topic, that is division of fractions. Okay. I don't think anything else is there. Okay. So multiplication is clear, children. What do we do for multiplying? For multiplying a fraction with another fraction, what you have to do? Gautam Krishna, tell me the answer. How will you multiply a fraction with another fraction? Loudly, say loudly.
Ma'am, cross multiplication.
I am asking you how to multiply a fraction with another fraction. Okay, tell me the answer for this. Gautam, you tell me the answer. Others keep quiet. What is the answer for this? How will you do it? What should we do for multiplying? Tell me, answer, you tell me. Say loudly. Gautam,
Yeah.
what? How will you do it? That at least that you tell me. Answer I don't want. How will you do it?
2 into 3.
2 into 3.
5 into 4.
By 5 into 4.
Four.
Then what is the answer? 2 3s are
3.
6 by
6.
5 4s are
20.
20. So answer is 6 by 20. Isn't it? So I asked you before how to multiply two fractions. First one is a fraction, second one is a fraction. How did you multiply? What all things you multiplied? First,
2 into 3.
2 into 3. What are 2 and 3? Are they numerators of the fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
So for multiplying two fractions, fraction into a fraction. For multiplying both fractions, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Isn't it?
Yes.
Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That is what we are doing, correct? Children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is whatever I am explaining is for everybody, not for Gautam Krishna alone. Okay. So for multiplying two fractions, we multiply the numerators and divide by the product of the denominator. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Very easy. Okay. Now let us see what will you do if you are asked to divide a fraction by another fraction. Before that, we have to study one more topic that is called reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, let us see what it is. Reciprocal of a fraction. Yes. What do you mean by reciprocal of a fraction? See, division of a first topic is division of a whole number by a fraction, like multiplication. Okay, before that, we should learn what is a reciprocal. Reciprocal of a fraction. The reciprocal of a non-zero fraction is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. What is it? We have to interchange the numerators and denominator. So if you are asked to find out the reciprocal of 3 by 5, what will be the reciprocal?
5 by 3.
5 by
3
3.
by 3. Then if what is the reciprocal of 7 by 4?
4 by 7.
4 by 7.
7 by 4.
4 by 7.
So 4 by 7, isn't it? And then 6 by 9. Yes?
9 by 6.
9 by 6.
Ma'am, do
Just
we
the
have to write
upside down.
this?
Okay. So it's reciprocal. Something reciprocal.
Ma'am, do we
means
have
what?
to write this?
Numerator will become the denominator. Denominator will become the numerator. Okay. For example, the reciprocal of, yes.
Do we have to write this?
Who is that?
Aaron Jami.
What do you want, Aaron?
Do we have to write this?
No. I'll give the notes. The reciprocal of 3 by 5 is what? 5 by 3. Like that. Reciprocal means just interchange their numerator and denominator. Very easy. Okay. Now, how to divide division of a fraction. We are going to see what is the division of a fraction. First topic is division of a fraction by a whole number, like multiplication. First, we will see how to divide by a whole number. Afterwards, we will see how to divide by another fraction. Understood, children? So, how to divide a fraction by a whole number or divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay. While dividing a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. What is it? For dividing a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number. There is no division there. What we do, we take the reciprocal of the number with which we are, of the fraction with which we are multiplying, and just multiply with that. Okay, so with the multiply with the reciprocal. So division means what? Division of fractions means multiply with the reciprocal. Okay, so see this, while dividing a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, 3 example 3 divided by 1 by 4. 3 is a whole number. Okay. 3 is a whole number. We are dividing it by we are dividing it, division. So 3 divided by 1 by 4. That is the question. We have to divide a whole number by 1 by 4. So what we will do is equal to, we multiply the same whole number by the reciprocal of this fraction. What we do, we'll take 4 by 1, multiply by 4 by 1. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 into 4, 12 by 1. That is 12. Is it clear, children, how to divide a whole number by a? Yes?
No, I didn't understand.
Who is it?
Ihan.
Ihan, you didn't listen? For dividing a number, whole number by a fraction. That is our question. No, division is our topic. So for dividing a whole number by a fraction, what we have to do? Multiply. See this whole number. We are taking 3 is a whole number, isn't it? In this, you see, 3 is a whole number. Okay. Three is a whole number. This whole number we want to divide with a fraction 1 by 4. So what we have to do, that is this whole number, that is 3, we will multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? 4 by 1.
By
Isn't
one.
it? So we multiply it with the reciprocal. So what is the answer? 3 into 4, 12 by 1. That is equal to 12 is the answer. You multiply, you divide this and tell me 5 divided by 2 by 3. What is the answer, children? Whole number is 5. 5 into what we will do?
3 by
By
2.
3 by 2, isn't it? 5 into 3
15
by
by
2.
3.
So 15 by 2. 2. 15 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So that is what we have to do. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Clear, children? We will do some problems. Then we can stop. Okay. Division of a whole number by a fraction.
Ma'am,
Okay,
2
clear
minutes
it?
left.
Ah, okay. Attendance is already taken. So we
Ma'am,
will.
Adidev is present.
Adidev is present. Where were you, Adidev? Too late to join.
Ma'am, I was there from the beginning, but I was not able to.
Hmm. Okay. Let me see. There are any exercise questions? Yes. A textbook exercise, children. 2.4. Some questions are given, isn't it? Textbook exercise 2.4. You take exercise number 2.4. Some questions are given. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay. Right. Division of a whole number by a fraction. So how will you do it? 12 divided by 3 by 4. Tell me. Can you see the
12
board?
divided. Ma'am,
12
12 divided by
divided
3.
by
12
4 by
into.
2.
Then after finding the reciprocal, you don't write divided by. Only into. Okay. Into 4 by 3. The reciprocal of 3 by 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The reciprocal of 3 by 4. So 12 into 4 by 3. So 12 into 4 is 48, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
48 by 3 will be the answer. Clear, children?
Yes,
48 by 3. You can divide it and write it as 16. Okay, next one. 14 divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6. Okay, time is up, children. So all of you do that questions, that set of problems before the next period. Okay, very easy. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are remaining. It is division. When mixed fraction come, what you have to do? You have to change it into improper fraction and then do. Okay, do the homework before the next period. So you can do it easily. Okay, same thing. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do it. Time is up. I have to stop.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
homework I have given. You can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop share. Yes. 1 minute. Yes, children. Anything else? I'll stop.
Ma'am, I'm present.
Adidev is
Ma'am,
present.
Alvin is
Okay.
present.
Ma'am, in
Ah.
which page is
Ma'am,
this
Alvin is
problem? I cannot see.
Annelyn is present. What?
It's number 46.